Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I am here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And we have another video for you this afternoon. It is June 30th, the last day of June. And we're going to show you guys what sold for us today.
Just heard the front door close. So if you hear noises, it's just our kiddos going in and out.
Yeah.
But yeah, first thing I sold, actually, we kind of already packed it because I wanted to make sure it fit.
Yep.
But it did. It's a London Fog cable knit fisherman type sweater. Bought at the bins for $1.37, sold on eBay for $23.96 plus shipping. This is kind of in the middle of the summer. If it was like actually fall winter time, I probably would have listed it closer to 40, but since I got it at the bins and I wanted a quick sale, that is exactly what I got. Still about a $20 profit there, so not too bad.
Yeah. And quickly, we do get asked the question kind of often, like, how do we know what we're going to pack it in and all that kind of stuff? Yeah. In this instance, we wanted to make sure because of how far it was going that it was going to go on a padded flat rate.
Yeah, because I was going to New York, so if it didn't fit, it would have been like $11.28 to ship, which is like $3.08 more.
Yeah.
So, normally I would know before we packed it up, but I just listed that to where it wasn't even in our boxes yet. So Chris got it in there for me this morning before I printed the label. But in general, I would know before I even listed the item, but what it would fit in.
For the most part, right? Like sometimes it's close, and we like to. If we weren't recording videos when we do this, we would just pull the item and then buy the label. Yeah. We do it a little bit backwards for YouTube just to make the video kind of flow. So don't do it like us if you are, if you're buying labels and all that kind of stuff. So just wanted to point that out. We try to do it just for the flow of the video.
Yep. All right. So I have 4 of these left. I think I've sold 2 or 3 of them, but I got a bunch of these $5 clearance each. Young, fabulous, and broke. They're just like a tie-dye terry cloth short. Bought 4 or 5 each. Sold this one for $23.96 plus shipping on eBay. So that's awesome. So actually, the new shipping hit mailers just came, so I'm going to use some of these today, but I'll show you really quick. Got my 2 faves, the ice cream chucks and the strawberries, and then she sent me just a sample of the rest. So the newest ones are the sunglasses, leaves, and I believe these are oranges. And then this one, the suns were in the last drop, or whatever you want to call it.
Right.
But I didn't know that they had 6x9, so that was cool.
Yeah.
I do know they have bigger ones because we've bought some of the larger ones from their other drops. But like these are really large, like a 24, I think, by something. So yeah, they have all the sizes pretty much. They actually are coming out with stickers now, sort of like this.
Some like thank you style stickers?
Yes, thank you, and just different like your package has arrived and cute little sayings like that. So when those drop, I'll let you guys know. I'm excited because we get these from Amazon, and if you've never checked our links in the description, we have we try to link everything we use here, but
everything that we like that we use.
Often usually when I have to go buy another sticker set, they've discontinued the one or don't have it, so then I have to find another, so we don't always update them. But I'm excited to just grab them from theirs because theirs are going to be way cuter than just a black. Thank you for supporting my business. So.
And in return, we're supporting a business, right? Versus some no-name business on Amazon. So yeah.
So let me use the sunglasses for that. Feels summery. Okay. Minnie Mouse plush. And I'm sure you've all heard me say it a million times, but Shipping Hip, we do have a code, Ginger15. Gets you 15% off your whole purchase. They do ship them for free. And I want to say they're like $25 maybe for like 100. So a little bit more than if you buy just like plain white ones or something on Amazon. But supporting a small business and really cute patterns for just a couple cents more per mailer. So anyhow, Minnie Mouse plush came from the bins. $1.11 into this, sold it on Mercari for $9 plus shipping. So about a $6, probably close to $7 profit there.
Very nice.
And actually that's a perfect one to use one of those larger mailers on, because Minnie's just a little too big to fit in the 10 by 13s. So there we go. All right, AK, this one, I'm very glad it sold. It's been listed a while, but I don't remember where I got it. I know I listed this when we were doing like our death pile, get everything listed thing. And yeah, I have no clue where it came from. So I'm assuming the bins because it's not like a normal thing I'd buy at Goodwill. It's a mustard seed. Does have some really pretty floral embroidery, but yeah. Anyhow, so I'm gonna assume $1 to $2 into it if it came from the bins. Sold for $9.60 plus shipping.
Okay.
So not a huge profit. Very glad to move it along though.
Was that a mustard seed? Is that a kid's?
No, it's
brand?
an adult, and it's just not a brand that I even know anything about. So.
I'm wondering if that was from our neighbor's garage sale, maybe.
Oh, maybe. Well, if that is the case, then it was probably more like $3.
Okay.
Yeah, it could have been that.
Yeah.
So that was a year ago, though. And I think I only listed it maybe halfway through the year, and we're back to the next summer now. So yeah, it's been hanging out for a while. Let's do that one there. Okay, BW. Sold some Hoka. These are the Hoka Iron Man something or other. I purchased for $12.99. They've only been listed a few days, but I got an offer of $50. They're like a women's 6 or 6.5, I believe, which usually kind of takes a while to sell. So I thought that was a fair offer. I might have been able to get like 60, 65, but rather just move them along.
Yeah.
And that was definitely a fair offer. If they offered 40, I probably would have countered, but
Have Hoka's kind of slowed down?
I definitely think they're going slower, yeah.
They're not as popular as they were.
The men's ones seem to sell for a little more still.
Yeah.
It just really depends on the style. I've never sold the Iron Mans. Like, the bottoms all look different. I bought a couple pairs yesterday that were more like the trail ones. Like, you can just tell they have better tread. I feel like those ones sell for the most still.
Yeah.
But yeah, just in general, a little bit less. But $50 is still really good for a used pair of shoes.
Yeah.
To me, my whole business model is kind of like buy for 10, sell for at least 30. So
Yeah.
if I can get 30, I'm happy. All right, all the way down to B. Oh, Reese, I meant to bring your bed up here today, buddy.
Yeah.
I meant to bring it. We rewashed it again after our trip. Love you. Alright, these have been hanging out forever also. These came from when I bought like a bunch of snow boots last year's snow boots drop, and like I averaged my cost of goods, so everything came out to $807, even though these are little Nikes that they probably had for like $350. But since I averaged $807 and they finally just sold for $15.16 plus shipping, so I'm making only like $5 and some change. But again, very glad to move them.
For sure.
I think it's just the size on these. They're a 2C, which is like a 3-month-old baby. So people buy them just to look cute, but their kid can't walk or anything. So, I think those would fit in here, probably. I think we can put them in there.
And these are about like this perfect size for just having a label on it, right?
Yep, and yeah, I do have some of these not from Shipping Hip that I just got on Amazon a great deal a while back, but they fit a lot of stuff. Like honestly, I can probably fit that mustard t-shirt in one of those size. Just gotta fold stuff a little differently. Howler Brothers. Howler Brothers swim trunks. These are new, although I accidentally ripped the tag off, and so technically I listed them as new without tag. But bought for $15 retail arbitrage, sold for $34 plus shipping on, where was this? I think it was eBay. I can't remember. This is like, I don't want to say it's 2 days worth of sales, but I guess it kind of is, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, some friends had me meet up with them for some thrifting yesterday, but then the day before that I kind of thrifted the whole day by myself, so I did ship before I went thrifting myself. But yeah, this is probably 2 days worth of sales, so
She's been on a thrifting binge.
I have, which is bad because you can see this isn't the new stuff. This is just the other stuff that's already been up here.
Should we show him a picture of the van right now?
Right, I'll put it. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It's everything that she has.
We'll have to do a couple hauls of that stuff.
Yeah.
But I found some really good stuff. I'm really glad I went thrifting. But now I got to stay here for like at least a month and just list it. So
is it out of your system? It's probably not, right?
I mean, I'm always up to go again.
Right, it's never out of the system.
Yeah, I can't just help myself. All right, sold some Keen men's. Just bought these a couple days ago. Listed, and they sold, I think, in a day of listing. So $12.99 into $39.96 plus shipping. And those are about a pound 12 ounces. So like as far as shipping on these, they're men's 9. They don't fit in a padded flat rate. They're over a pound. They're going to New Hampshire, so far away from us. I didn't want to pay 3 pounds because that's expensive. That's like $14.50. I only charge the buyer $10.99. So what I'm gonna do to keep them under 2 pounds is just put them in like a larger mailer. And I might put like a layer of bubble, just
Little bubble, yeah.
I don't think you need to, but we just do. We have a lot of free. Sorry, I got some. Some free just stuff from various packages we receive and stuff. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was still $11.58 to ship out. I may sometimes try to do like a UPS, but this person has a PO box for their address, so you can't ship to you can't ship to a PO box using UPS. So.
Right.
I think this says AY, but I could have. Just wrote it really ugly. Oh, there it is. Okay, just one of those Adidas blue t-shirts, bought for 10. This one sold for $18.96 plus ship, about a $6 profit there. Let's do make today a great day. Okay, BN Nike Free. Where's BN? Oh. Oh yeah, I just listed these before I left for my thrifting adventure. Yeah, just Nike Free, very bread and butter, but usually sell really fast and $30 to $40 generally. This pair bought for $6.99, sold for $37.96 plus shipping really fast. Those are going to go in a shoebox for eBay. And this one, I did not write where it was supposed to pull it from. So we do have a free spreadsheet if anyone wants to download it, but if you spell things wrong, you're not going to find them.
Yeah. Yeah.
AL it should be.
Right behind me. And if you're ever trying to look and search through that spreadsheet, or any spreadsheet, I guess, use Control F, and that is this hotkey for find, and then you can type in a search term and it'll find it. So
yeah, lastly was this Hurley just basic t-shirt, says like eyes on the horizon or something, bought for $5 retail arbitrage. I had a lot of these. Sold this one for $16.76 plus shipping on eBay, so probably about a $9 profit. I thought this one was interesting because it's so global shipping, so I saw the buyer was all in like $38. I didn't check where it was going, but yeah, just for a Hurley t-shirt, you know? So
yeah.
Okay. Do a mailer, and
that's that.
That's what's sold. So yeah, I mean, this was probably about a day and a half, I guess I would say. So it's still kind of slow, but I do feel like it's picking back up, and if I can actually get my stuff listed, it should start picking up pretty good here in August, September time. So.
Yeah, and I mean, we've been taking it a lot slower during the summer because the kids are home.
Like, no, I need to. I mean, I get motivated when I get sales. So.
Yeah.
Gotta keep listing.
But we've also been busy, so it's, I'm comfortable with the amount of sales we've been getting, given the amount of stuff that we've had going on.
It's our slowest month, probably.
It's been a while.
Over a year, at least. So that's okay.
Yeah.
We're able to pay all of our bills this month, so that's all that matters, right?
Yeah. All right, we'll pack these up and then we'll be back. What's up with your ear?
Why'd you move?
Hi. Oh, do you need to go outside? Okay, let's finish this up
Reese
and then
has ran away every day this week. I think he has a little neighborhood girlfriend or something.
He keeps going to the same neighborhood, too. The same part of the neighborhood.
Is there a girl? They just got some good food? What do they got? What do they got that we don't have? Huh? Literally, every time we let him out the potty, he, heads to jump the fence. So he's going to have to start going potty on a leash, I guess.
Naughty boy.
Old man. We were just going to show you. This is what we kind of meant with, so those are the Keens. So just one light layer of bubble wrap.
Yeah.
I think it just makes a nice presentation versus just pulling shoes out of a mailer. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but anything you can do to get a good review, try to do that.
We have the weight room, right? The wiggle room, so might as well.
You can see this will just be just under 2 pounds still. So yeah, if we added a box, it would definitely go over.
Sweet. Very, very nice. That's what's going out today. It is only about 1 o'clock. I do have a haircut appointment. It's at 2 o'clock, so had to do this a little bit earlier. But yeah, that's what's going on out today. Thank you so much for watching. We're very close to hitting 20,000 subscribers, and probably by the time this video goes up, we have hit 20,000. Which just is crazy. And guys, thank you so much for all the amazing support. We do appreciate all of it, and we're excited. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye.